Today I want to share with you one of my favorite fall pies. It's pumpkin pie, of course. It's a quintessential pie for fall, for an everyday pie, as in a weeknight or weekend during the fall, or for the fall holidays. So quick to whip together. You probably have the ingredients in your pantry already. All you need are a can of pumpkin, a can of evaporated milk, some granulated sugar, 2 eggs, pumpkin spice, and I show you how to make my pumpkin spice in a video I'll link at the end of this video, and a pie crust that you either made already or you could buy a prepared crust from the store. Easy peasy. My oven is preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and in this bowl I have 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. To that I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of my pumpkin pie spice, and I'm going to stir that together so I can make sure that these spices are well distributed. I don't want clumps anywhere in the pie. To that, I'm adding 1 can of pumpkin and 1 can of evaporated milk. Mix that together. Stir in 2 large eggs. Mixing well to be sure that they're all combined. The pumpkin mixture for the pie, the filling, the custard filling, is all set. Now all I need to do is to pour it into the prepared pie crust. This is an unbaked pie crust. And bake the pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 50 minutes until the center is set. Cool your pie completely and enjoy with a dollop of delicious homemade whipped cream.